Ordering your books or Keeps books is easy. If you ordered this last year, you'll notice a few small changes to the website that we made to make the process even easier. To start, make sure you go to store.booksforkeeps.org. Whether you're ordering with your class in person or online, you're going to start by clicking the top right corner of the screen, Sign In, Sign Up button to create an account. Here, we'll click the Create New Account button. And then here in the email section, we want you to put your first name, the @ symbol, your last name, period, and CCSD for Clark County School District. In the password section, work with your teacher or a trusted adult to create something simple that you can remember. Type it once, type it twice, and in the grade section, select the grade that you're currently in. If you're an educator or a trusted adult working with a student to select their books, make sure you select this last button here. And finally, hit the Create button. Once you've created your account, it's time to choose books. I'm going to go back to the home screen, then scroll down to find these icons here. You can click on the icons on the home screen here to start sorting through the types of books you might enjoy. You can even sort your books by grade level here. On the next screen, take your time and look at all the options. There are so many books in here. If you click on a book cover, you'll get to read a little bit more about that book too. You can see pictures of the book, the title, and even the details. If you think it's something you might like, go ahead and hit the Add to Cart button. Then keep selecting books, and you get to choose up to 10 books. You're still going to get 12 books, but you select 10 books on the website, and the other 2 books will be selected by a teacher or your media specialist at your school based on the books that you chose. So make sure you take your time and select books that you're really excited about reading. Once you selected all 10 of your books, go ahead and click the little shopping bag button to go view your cart. Once you're here, make sure that these books are all books that you are super excited about reading and that you know that you want. Once you know that these 10 books are the books you want, hit the Go to Checkout button. Here, one more time, you're going to input your first name, then your last name. Then you'll get to choose your school from this drop-down menu. Then you'll get to choose your teacher. And then finally, working with your teacher or a trusted adult, make sure that you put your homeroom teacher's email in this very last box. That way, your teacher knows that you've selected and ordered your books once you've finished your order. Everything else here will already be selected for you. And you don't have to worry about any of this over here because these books are free. But if you'd like to leave a little message for the volunteers that are filling your order, you can do so here in the customer note section. And once you're finished, hit that Place Order button. And voila. Thank you for your order. If you've made it to this screen, that means we have your order and we're going to fulfill that as quickly as possible. You can sit back, relax, and wait for your books to be delivered straight to your school. If you have any questions or concerns along the way, be sure to check out our FAQ section, which is up here on the top, or click this button on the bottom right of your screen that says Contact Us to speak with a BFK person. We can't wait to get your books to you, and thanks so much for being part of the 2021 distributions, friends. Happy reading, and we'll see you soon.